10 habits that make you billionaire. Yes, if you follow these 10 habits in your life regularly, you will definitely become a billionaire. Before going to start this is Nilakantam, manifestation coach and law of attraction and Ho'oponopono healer. So, today's episode is about 10 habits that will make you the billionaire. First of all, you have to be master of your own emotions, because if you won't control your emotions, it may lead to negativity and may lead to unsuccessful person. So be a master of your own emotions. Second one, be the master of your own mind. Yes, because if you focus on yourself, if you focus on controlling your mind, then definitely you will get more productive and creative ideas to achieve your goals, so that it will lead to become a millionaire. Point number 3, know how to lead the inspire others. So you must know that how to lead and inspire others. When will you do that? If you make consistency in your work, and when you start doing the things and show the results, definitely you will be the leader and you will be a inspired person. Fourth one, have a goal oriented attitude towards your life. When we see a lot of people will say that what you are doing, what is your goals and what do you want to achieve in your life. Some people will say something, I want to become like that, something I want to become like that. But some people, it's okay, life is going. We are just seeking for general things in our life. But you must have a goal oriented attitude towards your life, then you will definitely be a billionaire. So make decisions properly and create your goals. Try to achieve them. Point number 5, be an authority in your field and an expert on their products. Like if you have selected any kind of field, if you have selected any kind of content, then be master on it first of all. No one, just be a master, like no one can beat you. If you can become as a master in your field, if you become an expert in your field, so it's obviously you will get a authority in your field. So that will lead to become a billionaire. Point number 6, never say no. You can always find a way to say yes instead, because where there is a problem, there is always a solution. So instead of focusing the problem, try to focus on solution. So definitely you will never say no. You will find the way to say yes. That is one kind of mindset you can make it to become a billionaire. Point number 7, developing a positive attitude towards life is a key to success. No one will come and motivate you. So staying in negative attitude will always lead to unsuccessful person. You will definitely become an unsuccessful person. So try to develop yourself to become a positive attitude towards your life. You have to develop yourself. Like you can read inspirational stories, successful people. Try to stay with them. Try to find out the achieved people who are in your field and try to do something like to developing your positive attitudes. Point number 8, have faith and trust in yourself. This will help you succeed in life, business and relationship too. Because if you won't trust yourself, who will trust you? It's not the matter somebody has to trust you, because first thing you have to satisfy yourself. You have to believe in yourself. When you start believing in yourself, your mind will believe you. Your subconscious will open and show you the paths where you can lead the successful life. It might be your business, it might be in your relationship, it might be in a career, whatever it may be. Point number 9, be able to deal with the failure, because every step when you fail, you're very close to the success. It's not that end of everything for you, but it doesn't show that you're resilient enough to overcome obstacles and failures along the way. So because failure is not the ending, it is the starting point of success. And the last one, don't be afraid of making mistakes, because they teach us valuable lessons about ourselves and our lives. Making mistakes means you are learning something. You are doing something. Instead of sitting without doing anything, saying that it can't be doable, you can do something and do the mistakes and get failed. Not an issue, because it will become a step and you will learn something and you will find out the more ways to get the successful people. Right? So if you want to become the billionaire, every billionaire has made the mistakes. Every billionaire has a lot of failures, but they didn't lose. They never gave up. They just take those failures and mistakes as stepping stones to become a successful person. So don't be afraid. Do the mistakes. It's not mean wantedly do the mistakes. I mean to say, if mistakes happen, don't be get afraid. So these are the 10 habits if you have in your life kind of habits, then definitely you're the billionaire. No way. Whatever it may be the circumstances, whatever may be the 3D reality, but you are a billionaire. So try to check out your habits. What is your habits? Tell me in the comments. What do you think? What do you think, and what kind of habits you want to develop, and what kind of habits you want to lose? Just discuss about something. Give a brief information about yourself and discuss in the comments. I love to read your comments. Thank you so much, guys. This is the episode today. Hope you people have loved this. If you love, please give a like button, and the people who are seeing first time, please do subscribe and click on bell button for future notifications. And also follow me in the Instagram. If you want to learn the self-learning courses, you have that links in the description. You can check out. Thank you so much. Bye bye. Take care.